Hi everyone, it's Eddie here at Eddie Makes Art, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. The folks at Grabie sent me this lovely box full of art supplies, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing video and make something too. And as part of me doing this unboxing for them, they're offering my subscribers a discount on any purchase. So I will list the discount code in a little, bottom of the screen, and then also in the description box. It is Eddie15, and it offers you 15% off any one-time purchase on the website. It won't work for subscription boxes because it's already has a discount higher than 15% on it. However, it works on everything else. It's the code should work, whenever, and there's no minimum requirements, no limit on the number of times you can use the discount, and the important thing about the code is that it is case sensitive. So it's capital E, DDIE, the number 1 and the number 5. But again, just check in the description box. I'll give you all these details and the links to where you can find all this stuff and in the description box. So check that out. Let's open this bad boy up. Very nice. Hello, may the art be with you. Welcome. Nice box there. Very nice. July. Beautifully wrapped. And those of you who have gotten to know me over the last few months, I'm honest. So this is going to be an honest review of the products in the box, but fair, Oh, I love this tissue. Gel printing tissue. Okay, let's get that off. Okay. Ooh, look at all that. They pack a lot in there, huh? So what's this? First, little sticker, the company logo. The big thick book. What is this? The Flower Guide, a vintage archive room. Maybe stickers? I believe they are stickers. Yes. Beautiful flowers. Very nice, vintagey looking. Beautiful details. Let's see, I think it's all flowers. No. That's other stuff. It's mainly flowers. Large, small, bouquets, individuals. Ooh, there's a great selection. I've painted these in watercolor before. Nice. See the single stems. Oh, wreaths and like frames. Flowers. Individual buds. Oh, very nice. Ooh, nice coloring. We have some stamps. Very nice. Okay, that's one book. Ooh, some nice scissors. Let's see. Gotta play with them a little bit. They're a little stiff, but that's because they're new. Let's test it out on some paper. Let's see, I've got a piece of scrap here. These are great. Check it out. I got me some fancy scissors. Aren't you jealous? And let's see. Let's look at the papers. Well, let's look at this. This is fast here. There's some jute ribbon. Great. I actually needed some of this. I was looking through my stuff the other day and I don't have this and I needed it. So thanks, Grabie. And this is glue tape. Little tiny, isn't that cute? Color's great too. I don't have very good luck with these, but I'm gonna give it a go and see if I have any better luck with that one. Ooh, look at that washi tape. Ooh, I think these are individual washi flowers. Great. Oops, don't worry. These are wonderful. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let me get this back on here. So I don't want to waste that. But yeah, look at that. Very nice, very nice. Some more jute ribbon. Hey Jack, what's in the box? So I am gathering, this is some sort of papery type ephemera. Very fruit-centric. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Whoa. Oh yeah, we got some great washi stickers. We've got fruits. Oh, this is wonderful. Beautiful grapes. Now I'm getting hungry. Okay, we're gonna put these just to the side there. And then we have some little tags. There's strawberries on them. Pineapple tags. Oh, these are so cool. All right, got more of that and some pomegranate. Love me pomegranate. Looks like grape leaves, grapevine. These are large ones. Oh yeah, these are great, like collage papers. Very nice. We have, this looks like, use as a tab maybe. I'll have to figure that out. Very cute. Like a clipboard. Ooh, geez, they really stuff it in here. Kinds of birds and yeah, this is great for collage. I'll have to maybe make a master board or something eventually. Ooh, all kinds of cuteness here. These are great to tuck into your junk journals. Oh man, some just really cool, colorful papers. A lot of botanical stuff, which is cool. I like that. We have here pineapples. Yes, see, pineapples don't grow on trees. They grow on a bush. Some cherries. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Raspberries. Oranges, nectarines, or peaches. Oh, I think they're peaches. I see the little line. These are peaches. Very cool. Just all great little designs and not neat. How fun. Oh my God, there's so much in here. Well, the paper's thin, which is great for collage, but it's not like, it's not tissue thin, let's just say. These are fun little bookmark type things. And these larger pieces. These are great on a page in a junk journal. Just put it down if you have a white page and then just decorate around it, or make it into a pocket or a belly band. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. Okay, let's see what this paper is. Ooh, it's a nice vellum envelope. I like that. I love the sound of it. Ooh, look at all these papers. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3 sizes. And I'm going to assume that they're just all the same. Oh, look at that. Just in the 3 different sizes. This is great. So what's that? That is just like 3 1/4 inches, 3 1/8, 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. Yep. These are cute. Ooh, look at that one. That's great. So this bad boy is 3 1/2 by 4 3, almost 4 3/4. Look at some of these. Wow. These are right up my alley. Okay. Okay, I'll just give you the measurement of this one and then we'll move on. This is a 4 3/8 by 6 1/4. Very nice. Let's see what this is. Another awesome envelope. Grabie Scrapbooking Club stickers. Okay. Do I need a scissors for the stickers? Yes. Let's see here. Do I just cut the top off? I think I can just go like this. And then just cut this open like that. Fancy. The Manor album. So this is a book cover, or is this? I guess you can make it into a book cover. But these are all different little stickers. And if my blind butt can't find it, here we go. Oh, these are clear. These are great. They're not washi. They're more of a vinyl, or not a vinyl, plastic. These look like beautiful. Very nice, huh? We have some with smaller ones, some with numbers. Okay, let's set these over here. I want to get to the gold ones. Ooh, these are very nice. They got a little bling. Ooh, these are great little frames. And they're thin, so you can layer them up with other things. Okay. Some more writing. What's this one? It's not our abilities that determine who we become. It's our choices. Very true. Okay. Ooh, dragonflies. Another great package with an awesome piece of plastic inside. See, you got to think that way when you're unpackaging something, because you'll find some great crafting supplies within just basic packaging. And if I could get into it, so here we go. Spill it all out. One left inside, that's okay. Ooh. Now those are cute, right? The details are great. Fun. Just saw that. Oh, look at this one. This one is purple, or is it blue? Bluish purple, but it's beautiful. And then these tall things are stickers as well that you can cut apart to use whatever pieces you want, or slap it down on a piece of paper on a tall piece of paper, and you got yourself a bookmark. Beautiful. Oh, look, and this one has a clock on it. Got some lanterns. Oh, this is fun. Beautiful. Okay. And then these are some bling stickers. These, oh wait, we've lost a word here, or a phrase. What's this one? Change life, start fresh. If it were only that easy sometimes. Oh, these are cool. Let me get up. Let me get a better look. These are fabulous. Music, and everything is individual. So you can pick and choose what you want in whatever combination. See, that's the back. So it's a translucent sticker, which is nice. Obviously the darker ones aren't going to be, but it's pretty. Some of them are translucent. Very nice. Okay. We missed these little guys. I get it, Gail. I get it. Gail Gustinelli hates this type of packaging. And I get it. Not easy. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Very pretty. Very cool frames. Oh, these are great. And they're great for ATC cards, for tags. Very nice. Dun, dun, dun. What's in here? Oh, we got another one. Open alone. Shh, it's a secret. Paper. Ooh. Great envelope. Look at that. Nice and sturdy. Snaps closed. Good. That's a storage pouch that comes with the box. So this is intended, obviously, to store all your new goodies in. But it's very cute. Oh, another wonderful piece of paper, vellum. And come on, I think these are die cuts. Yeah. Yeah, they're not getting back in there. That's not going to happen. Oh, these are very thin. And it's like it's a textured paper. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a slight texture to it. But I'm going to have to try my inks and on these and see how they turn out. Ooh. Now, these are printed vellum. Very cute. Ooh, love this one. Oh, that's so good. Ooh, got one with foxes. Red fox, lone wolf. Ooh, the bunny rabbit. And this gorgeous butterfly. Amongst other things. And this, I think it's just these are just, are they stickers? No, they are, it's like scrapbook paper, but they have embossing, they have gold embossing in them. I hope you can see that, the shiny, the gold bars on the cage. What's next? So that one. Be your own kind of beautiful. What are these? Is this? I don't know what this is. It is a sticker. It's a sticker. So I can cut out what I need and not destroy the rest. Now these are not stickers, no. Okay, that's a sticker. This is one. Look at that beautiful owl. Menacing claws. Ooh, and horsies. We've got horsies and zebras. Oh my. And we've got some birds. The red-bellied woodpecker. Speaking of which, I haven't heard our local woodpecker lately. There's usually one in the tree across the road from me. Haven't heard it this year. Ooh, now this one's Christmas. There's one Christmas in here. Wow, that's great. Ooh, these are like wrapping paper, but thicker. It's beautiful. Ooh, fun. Ooh, don't look at this too long. It'll make you dizzy. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. And now in vellum. How great is that? Very nice. Very nice. So I am very impressed with this box. Now, I'm going to clean up and then I'll make something and we'll come back and then I will, we'll make a couple things. How about that? So I've gathered a few things from my Grabie box and I have an idea. Well, it's sort of an idea. And then I did a little searchy search on the interwebs and I found this really cool blog. And I don't know if it's still going on because the last post on it was like from, I think, 2022 or 2021. But it's called Vonne Creative, V-O-N-N-E, Creative. And I'll post a link down below. And she calls this a multi-mini tag folder. And I'm going to give you the measurements that she used because that's kind of what I went on. So what this is going to be is just a fold up, right? A little folder. And we're going to have all these tags and pockets and it's going to be really cool. And I'm using pretty much 99% of the stuff that I received in the Grabie box. So the only thing that I am not using from the box is my ink. I have some buttons. And then I have, what else? Well, my glue stick, right? I have some ribbon or some string I'm going to use on some of the tags. And then also some coffee dye paper that's my own. And this piece of craft cardstock, see, it's really cool. And it's got this great design on it. So, first thing you want to do is she based this on a piece of A4 size paper. And as you know, that's not an American size. So, you know, mostly in the UK is they go by the A4 or, you know, other places other than the US. Our standard size is 8.5 by 11. So I had this piece that was this wide. And what you do is you cut that A4 piece in half the long way and you're left with this, which is, and this part I did translate, was 4 1/8 inch across, 4 1/8 across inches, down, up and down, it's 11 3/4 inches long. Okay. And then what I did is I flipped it on the back because I want to keep this as the outside. You're going to take a ruler and you want to mark it off every 6 centimeters. So you've got 6 here, 12, 18, and 24. She didn't do this, but what I did is I went ahead and I scored the where the lines are. You're going to start from the bottom. Make sure you're even. I'm going to start off even here, okay? Let's start off even Steven. Fold up, and then fold up. Now, one of these was not correct, I can tell you that. So, let's just make a little adjustment here. this is where your bone folder comes in. Just give it a nice crease. Okay. And again, up. I'm gonna crease them. And up. Now, I don't know if she has a video or whatever, because I was only on her blog and I didn't see any videos on there. There was just photos and step-by-step instructions, and they're really good. So this is all done from, you know, looking at the photos of the steps that she did. Okay, so there you go. Now, what we're gonna do first is I want to notch that out like a tag, and I can't remember, no, she didn't do the bottom. So what we're gonna do with my cool new scissors is I'm gonna cut notches off here like it's a tag, right? When you cut a piece off there, flip it over and put it on the other corner, and that way you get the same size cut. If I could hold this correctly, we could be on a roll. All right. Yeah, that was crooked. That's okay. We're not worried about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead, while I got this without any decoration on it, is I'm gonna ink it. Okay, that's all inked. Pretty cool. Now, the next step is to take some pieces of paper, pattern paper, whatever kind of paper you want to use. I went with some of the more fruit-centered papers from the Grabie box, and you want to cut them down. You need 8 pieces. You want to cut them down to 5 centimeters by 10. So you need 8, right? 5 centimeters down, 10 across. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate them into 2 groups of 4, and you're gonna notch out circles on one group horizontally. It's gonna be, you know, you wanna set the pocket horizontal and do your notch there, and then you can take the other 4, and these are going to be long way pockets, so you want a vertical notch. You want these vertical, and you want to notch that end. So you've got 2 sets, and then all we do is we're going to alternate them front and back. Now, all we have to do is decorate it. And for that, first what we're going to do is I'm going to put a button on the front. Now, I got to decide which button, because this is going to fold up like so. Okay. And so I want to put a button right there. And look at me. I was so organized. I put everything together with labels, and that's the string we're going to use as a closure. But I want to glue this button down and give it time to dry while I work on some things to put in the pockets. Okay, so let's audition these buttons and see which one will work best. We got good old white. We have these two. This one's at that shiny on one side and then has like a painted pattern on the other. Yeah, that's the same. Yep. This one goes with that flower really well. This one, I think it's too shiny. I'm going to go with that one. And then I'm going to use the Fabrifix to glue it down. And hopefully that should hold it. So I'm just going to clip this so it stays closed until that dries. Fabrifix. It's a silicone adhesive. And we're going to give this a try. I just want to glue right in the middle here. And then just maybe drop it right there. Okay. Oh, and then I have one more thing. She did add a bit of grungy lace to the front there. So I've got some of this coffee dyed lace trim that I'm gonna cut some of this off and use it there. And I'm glad I thought of it because I got the fabric glued out. Just do this all at once. Just gonna kind of open it up here, make it look a little more frayed. And then just, I'm gonna run some glue down the edge. That should be good, yeah. Should we go higher? No, I like that. I think we're gonna leave it like that. Biggie. We're gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna move on to the next thing. So the next thing I want to show you is I took some of the really cool tags they already had and different, smaller elements, and I glued them down to some coffee dyed paper just to give them a little more heft because remember the sheets of paper are thin. They're like collage paper, so you want to I wanted to give them a little more structure. So I glued them down onto some coffee dye paper. Let me show you one I did. Cut it out. This one didn't have the notches on the corner, so I cut that out. I punched the hole. I added half a sticker there, and then this is also in the kit. It's part of a larger sticker, and I cut that out, the number out, added there, inked it all up, put some of the jute ribbon on, because you get this in the box. So that's one tag. I'm gonna cut the rest of these out and get them ready to go into the folder. Now, while I am inking things, these are all done, I want to cut out a couple of stamps that they have here. And this is the large, amazing Vintage Archive Room Flower Guide sticker book. So let's pick out a couple of stamps, cut them out, and then we can ink them up. Let's get that one. I do like this one. Let me cut that one out first. And carefully. These scissors are great, by the way. Nice and sharp. And they fit good in my fingers. I mean, you know, as long as they don't grow anymore. The other things I pulled out were I have some other washi stickers here, and in the fruits, and I have some bugs, or this is the one where I got that number. Use bits of that. A little butterfly, got some bling flowers, some dragonflies, so try and use up those. And let's see here. Let's first get over here to this, because what I want to do is, she put corners on her pockets. Like, let's say, for example, here I've got this piece of book page, right? Let me see. See, the problem is this page is upside down. There you go. So we can do that. Just going to cut out a few of these. And I'm not worried about which way the text is going, because it doesn't really matter for this project. I think she probably used a glue stick. She didn't say. So I'm just going to use a little glue stick here. Yeah, we'll do this one first. Okay. That just adds a little extra detail that makes it a little more interesting and like grungy like. This one. Okay. Let's do a couple more. Easy. Something else she suggested you could do that she did was you could come in with a where's my marker here? This fine tip pen, right? And you could do, if you don't sew, which a lot of us don't, or have a sewing machine, just come in and make some little dash marks to appear like the pocket is sewn in. Put some of these stickers down here. You know, I don't think they need inking, but I'm just going to peel them. See? Easy peasy. How about right here? Do that right there. Yeah. this is almost done. So I just wanted to remind you that the subscription box is available through the website for Grabie, and I will link all of that in the description box below. I'll give you the the links to access it. And remember, there's my discount code that'll save you 15% off, not on subscriptions, but they will save you 15% off on anything else on the site. But also, it's unlimited use. You can use it several times, and it goes on as long as they shut me down. But I think it'll go on as long as you want to use it. Let's fold it up. I think this turned out really, really cool. Our multi-mini tag folder. So might be an issue here with the string, so we'll just shift it. Okay, so we got that. Ooh, that one needs a little bit of glue here. It's not getting any stray sticky uppies. Does it get glue in there? No. No glue came out. Just there we go. Right. So what I think I want to do though with this silk or this piece of trim is cut off that bottom piece. Gives a little more frayed, grungy look. Oh, we missed this one here. This can go in a tall pocket. This little string giving me trouble. I'm just going to tuck it in there. Okay. Man, you are one stubborn little dude. Get in there. It just doesn't want to stay. Okay. That came out pretty cute. So, all that from this cool subscription box from Grabie. This is the July version, and if you go on the website now, you will probably get the July, but if you do, I believe you can also sign up for August if you want to just start with August. But these are available, and go into the description box of the video below. Hit the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't, and then check out all the cool information and the discount. And so my review of this subscription box is that I love it. It's great. It's got it came with some really neat papers, it's all kinds of stickers. You can get this wonderful big sticker book, and my cool new scissors that I love. You got your washi, you got this, the ribbon, little tape dispenser. I mean, really, it's got everything you need. And you can even make a whole journal out of what's in this box. Now, they also send you this cool storage pouch. You can keep all your stuff in. I don't have it very well organized here, but I just want to show you. It holds a lot. And keep all your stuff in there, and then you know exactly where it is at all times. So thank you so much for joining me. I want to thank you, the guys at Grabie, for hooking me up with this wonderful subscription box, and I hope you check them out. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video.